In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add shipping charges in Zoho Books when creating or editing an invoice. If you run an online store, sell physical products, or regularly charge customers for delivery, adding shipping charges correctly inside your invoices is really important for accurate billing and accounting. The good news is that Zoho Books already includes a built-in shipping charges field, and using it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from opening your invoices to adding the shipping cost and saving everything properly. And if you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you are inside the Zoho Books dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Here you'll see several sections, such as Home, Items, Sales, Purchases, and Reports. What we want to do is open the Sales section because invoices are managed from there. Click on Sales and then click on Invoices. This will open your full list of invoices that you've already created in Zoho Books. From here, you have two options. You can either create a completely new invoice with shipping charges, or you can edit an existing invoice and add the shipping cost to it. Both methods work exactly the same way. If you want to create a new invoice, click the New button, usually labeled as Plus New, in the top corner of the Invoices page. This opens the invoice creation screen, where you can choose the customer, add products or services, and configure pricing. Select your customer as you normally would, then begin adding the items that the customer is purchasing. Enter the item name, quantity, and rate for each product or service. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the subtotal for the items listed in the invoice. Once you've finished adding your products, the next step is where we add the shipping charges. Scroll down slightly until you reach the bottom area of the Invoice Items table. Just below the subtotal section, you will see a field labeled Shipping Charges. This field is specifically designed for delivery fees, courier costs, or any shipping amount that you want to bill the customer for. Simply click inside the Shipping Charges field and enter the amount you want to charge. For example, if the delivery cost is $50, just type $50 into that field. As soon as you enter the value, Zoho Books will automatically update the invoice total to include the shipping amount along with the subtotal and any taxes that may apply. If you're editing an existing invoice instead of creating a new one, the process is exactly the same. Just open the invoice from the list, scroll down to the bottom of the Items section, and locate the Shipping Charges field. Enter the amount you want to add and review the updated total. This makes it really easy to add delivery fees even after the invoice has already been drafted. Always double-check the final invoice total before saving so you know the shipping has been applied correctly. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and click Save. Your invoice will now include the shipping charges, and the total amount due from the customer will reflect that added cost. You can then send the invoice to your customer as usual through email or download it as a PDF directly from Zoho Books. And that's it. That's how you quickly add shipping charges to an invoice in Zoho Books. It only takes a few seconds, but it helps make sure your invoices are accurate and that you're properly charging customers for delivery costs. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.